So lots happened this week that's not COVID-19 related. Here's the corona-free Intense 5. Guess who's out of quarantine? The energy god himself. And yup, he released a song. Let's hope he practices what he preaches.
So a lot, okay, maybe all artists are home and they're using this time to connect with their fans on IG Live. Word of advice, screen the people before you add them, cause you will get in trouble.
This month's full moon is called the pink moon, not because it's pink, but we saw this pic online and thought it needed to be on the 5, just as a reminder that we'll be okay soon. And of course, big up the JDF Air Wing who were caught in the pic, always protecting.
Ooh. Tomorrow, it's all about giving back, and we encourage everyone to watch and support the telethon for the healthcare workers in any way you can. It kicks off at 3 p.m. tomorrow, and I promise you, it's non-stop performances. Can't wait.
And finally, holding the spot this week. So they said it was a music video shoot, but after seeing the soldiers, I began to have a little bit of doubts. Dexter Daps was arrested on Wednesday in the community of Seaview. The police say they wanted him for questioning about gang-related activities. Of course, we'll keep you posted. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Tell us what you'll be doing this Easter weekend and send us a video. We'll post them on the show next week.